What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a video with the Elmer's glue trick to clean a record. I cleaned it the best I could with all the stuff I had, and I laid the track down to the PC, and it came out pretty good, but it's still not right. Yeah, the vocals are kind of distorted, so I figured I'm going to give the Elmer's glue trick a try and see how that works out. The 45 is by Peter McCann. Right Time of the Night. Apparently his version was rejected by Warner Brothers or Warren Records. I forget the label because it sounded too masculine. And Jennifer Warnes or something, hers is all over the place, and it hit the charts back in the 70s. And this one I had since I was a kid, so I applied the Elmer's glue to it. Gonna leave it dry, and I'll peel it off, see what kind of dirt comes off, and try and lay the track down again and clean it up with the software, and hopefully it'll come out good, and let you guys know how the Elmer glue trick works. We'll check back when it's done drying. Okay, just checking back in. It's been a couple hours now. You can see it's starting to dry. And I guess it's going to take another couple hours to dry all the way, so we'll check back in on it later on. Okay, here we are several hours later. The glue looks like it's all dried up, but I'm going to leave it set overnight and pick up tomorrow. We'll start pulling it off and see how it worked, if it pulled all the crap out of the grooves like they say it does. Oh, okay, to heck with it. I'm not going to wait till tomorrow. I started peeling it off right now, and I don't feel like waiting till tomorrow. There you have it. Peeled off like they said it would. And it's actually pretty amazing. You could see all the grooves in it. Wow, it really shined the vinyl up, and I mean, this record was kind of beat. It really looks pretty good. But I'm gonna do my normal cleaning on it, and I did record this to a track, and I'll upload the before and after, so we'll pick up tomorrow. Okay, guys, just got done cleaning the record up. I use my normal method. I mix my own solution, and I use a couple different brushes and stuff on the vinyl, and I finish it off with some Groove Glide, and add the record clamp. And I'm gonna lay a track down to the PC, clean it up. I'm not going to go videotaping all of this, so I'm just going to post the results before and after, and see how it come out with the glue. Okay, I got done laying the track down, and I would not recommend using Elmer's glue, or any kind of glue or anything on your vinyl except, you know, the trustworthy stuff to clean it with. I didn't hear any better sound. In fact, what happened was the left channel dropped down in level opposed to the right, so that tells me there's some kind of residue left in the groove, and that's after cleaning it several times with different solutions and brushes and stuff like that, so I wouldn't try it on any other record. I'm glad I only did it on an old record. So that concludes the video. Until next time.